Presenting in front of your presentation in Microsoft Teams. That is what this video is about. But first, like and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your colleagues and friends around you. So let's get into it directly. What you want to do is to be in front of your video or your presentation. And here I'm not talking about PowerPoint, but I'm talking about a desktop application. We know in PowerPoint you have Cameo, which I made a video of already, where you can have your own setup. But with sharing screens, there was no possibility, and it was always the same frame. So let's go into a demo, and I show you first about PowerPoint. Next, I will show you about the new functionality in Teams. First, we are going to join a meeting, and let's make this screen a bit smaller. Let's try this and join. Now you are used to just share like a PowerPoint. I would do a workshop, for example, and you would have the possibility to change the selection over here next to Cameo. For Cameo, you need the latest version of PowerPoint, so be aware of that. But that's just sharing PowerPoint. But now I want to share my store, for example. Then I have here my presenter mode, where I can select what kind of presentation I want. For example, I want this one, and I'm going to share my store, and as you can see, I'm using this OneNote. You can see it at the red band, but I'm big in front of it. Now with this new functionality, you can size. So now I'm more like, okay, more easy to see, and the content is a bit more cleaner, and I can switch all the way. I can also mirror it, so the content is on the other side, and I see, yeah, I can also size it again. So that's what this video is about. I'm curious if you are using this functionality, if you are missing some functionality in here, and if you like the video and subscribe to my channel and share the content with your friends and colleagues around you, and see you in the next video.